this kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below.
Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 89 of Building the Infinity Gauntlet. Captain and the Star. And obviously, part 5 of the finger is what we're really here for. Yes, Captain Marvel. Carol Danvers, was of Cree origin. Alright, so she's not quite American. Enemy among us. Here we go. Interesting stuff. If you want to read all of that, feel free to pause and zoom in, do whatever you need to do that. So yes, the assembly little finger continues with a third joint and one of the outer plates. 2 more screws that we're going to use. Put that together, more washers and the outer plate. So yeah, the bit that I've already done from last time and putting bits together, same joining up, same as we did before, and one more side. Get in there. Get in there. We've got the whole of the outside bit of the finger. We've got the inner outer plates, but yeah. Little finger is short, slightly shorter, so its structure differs slightly from the index, middle, and ring fingers. Yeah, I think the index finger was a little bit different, but these two I think basically the same. But yeah, we'll go from there. Marlowe Chandler. Yeah, don't know what all that was about. Yep, lots of history in the Marvel comics. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get this built. So we're not going to be opening that packet because we've got 2 left from this packet. So let's get those out. Then we can tidy up the rubbish from that. So what we're doing, we're continuing the finger from last time. As I say, I've already popped that across in there. What we do need is that. And this bit's got to go on there, and that. This has got to go down around there. Posts on that have got to go through the posts on that. That's not post on that, so it's only on this side. That's got to go over there. Not like that. Don't push that because you need that. Broken that off. I've just snapped off the sides of that. That was impressive. Right, I shall glue those back in place. And to get that, I didn't put very much pressure on that. That's very strange. So that goes in there, over there. There we go. Like that. Will be held tight momentarily. Let me get that reattached because that needs to be on there while this side goes on. Another washer over that bit. Get that to stick there. Washer over there because that's going over there. That's joining up to there almost with that covering over that bit. That will go on there with a screw through that, but that needs to be put in there properly first. So let me glue that up together, get that on there, and then we'll go on to the next bit. Okay, I've glued that together, just waiting for that to dry a little bit more. Put it in, put the screw in, so that's all attached, and now we'll obviously bend. Good. And we've got that that's still very loose at the moment, but for now, that is. We're going to pop another. This is going to go on there that way around. I need to pop the washer over that. That way around. No, it's this way around. Yeah, so the washer goes over that bit. One that's got the keyed piece in it. Because this is where that pin is going to go through that hole there. We get that through there. Through that side. Help it all line up together. Pin goes through that bit. And then this bit goes over there again. Got the screw that holds that together. Will do once I get the screw in the right place. we'll hold the other side of that together a little bit more till we get the other side on, which is almost certainly going to be next time. Yeah, that's the bit that joins up down there. So far, so good. That's it for another issue. Next time, we're probably going to be put on the other side on there, and then we just got to wait for the top plates to come along. Then we'll be done. So for now, another issue completed. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.